Welcome to Interview Talks.
Hello guys, today I am discuss job in Accenture. Freshers and experience are eligible this drive. In this video, I am discuss how to fill application form and job description. So watch this video till end. If anyone want off-campus jobs information and interviews of different companies, check video links in description. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Let's start the discussion. Let's see the job description. Skills required: order to cash processing, credit management and assessment. Designation: the company assigned role to students is management level new associate. Job location: Chennai. Qualification: any graduation. Year of experience: 0 to 1 years. What would you do in company? You will be aligned with our finance operations vertical and will be helping us in determining financial outcomes by collecting operations data reports while conducting analysis and reconciling transactions. You will be assigned role related to financial transactions. What are we looking for? We are looking for individuals who have the following skill set: adaptable and flexible, ability to perform under pressure, ability for quick learning, pertinent verbal communication skills. It would be a valuable add if you are proficient in Microsoft Excel. If you are good in this skill, your chances are more to selected. What are the roles and responsibilities? In this role, you are required to solve routine problems largely through precedent and referral to general guidelines. Your primary interaction is within your team and your direct supervisor. You will be given detailed instruction on all tasks that needed to be carried out, and the decisions that you make will impact your work. You will need to be well versed with basic statistics and terms involved in the day-to-day business and use it while discussing with stakeholders. You will be working closely with project members to effectively deliver on the requirements. You will be an individual contributor as a part of a team with a predetermined focused scope of work. Qualifications: any graduation from any branch are eligible this drive. If you are interested, I am provide this registration link in description. You can click on apply now. You are redirecting to application page. If you have already account in this website, you can enter your details. Otherwise, you can click on new user. After click on sign up, you are redirecting to application form. In application form, you should fill the details related to email address, password. It must be at least 9 characters long, contain no spaces. It includes uppercase, lowercase, numerical, special characters. Personal details: first name, last name, country, state, city. If you have LinkedIn profile, you should copy your URL here. Job preferences: what country or region would you like to work in? What city would you like to work in? Year of experience: if you already have experience, you should mention your experience in years. What are your primary job function? What industry do you have experience in? If you have already working experience, you should mention. After fill all details, you should click on register. You are notified by company will soon. For more updates about off-campus jobs and interviews, subscribe our channel. Thank you.